Okay, August 11th. Got 2 balers in the field. Got my buddy Joe. He's running Massey 1105, pushing out some square bales, baling some brome grass, first cut with bird's foot trefoil. I'm in the 2705. Okay, we're getting the tarp set up over there. We're tarping. And yeah, got kind of a slow start here. Lost our sun, but we had to kind of wait for the dew to come off, but still not even 2 o'clock, which in Michigan, that's pretty early for us to start. We're going at it, hay's tested dry. 2 balers going, got a lot of hay to bale today. Should be a good day. Yesterday I put these mirrors on. I bought these extension mirror kits from a company called Maverick Advantage. They're in Indiana, and I called them direct. The first set of mirrors I ordered, they got lost in the mail, I guess. So they sent them to the United States Postal Service. The second set, they sent UPS, and because before all I had was this little mirror, and now I can use this mirror and pull it back and look at the pickup. Yeah, that's all I had was this mirror, and I could swing it on this arm up. But now I got these other 2 mirrors. It's really made it great. I can see the baler now behind me. I can see if the twine is feeding when I'm ramping a bale. So these mirrors weren't that expensive. I think it was like 147 bucks or 174 bucks, something like that, for a set of them, them breakaway extension mirrors. I'm really happy with them now. Cause I've done videos before about how bad it is for your back and your hips to be, cranked around to one side all the time. So it's just so much more relaxing with having a good set of mirrors on the track. Alright, we've got a little bit of sun. It's good to hear, or see rather. Bale for a little bit longer today. So, got over 30 acres to do today. And tomorrow, 30% chance of rain. So we'll see how late we can bale before the dew shuts me down. Well, 7:45. Dew's starting to come down. The hay's getting a little tough. Well, it's about 18. I got one bale at 19, which isn't bad, really. But I'm hoping I can bale tomorrow. We do got 30% chance of rain. They are saying mainly afternoon. That's what the weather guessers were saying this morning. Actually, I think the weather forecasting is pretty damn good nowadays. Remember the old days when the best forecast you could get was watching the 11 o'clock news at night. You didn't stay up that late, and it would be, for Detroit, which is about 50 miles away, we didn't have the internet, so forecasting's pretty good, but I hope I don't get bit, I don't know, I could wake up, it's going to be heavy clouds tomorrow, and the dew might not come on, but I just don't like baling wet hay, it reduces your options with the bales. Alright, well, we ended up got about 110 rounds today and about 800 square bales. So it was a good day, real good day. I'm happy. It's been a good hay season. So all right, thanks for tuning in, and everybody let me know how your hay season's going.